How to buy Kiro Yuki token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money to some crypto with the best referral code. Simply use code below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 14 hours ago and increased by 1000% in less than 4 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's meaning investment in a safe place. This token is trending number 23 in the Ethereum section. Now to be able to buy this token, is easy and simple. Click here to copy the token. Nowadays, open your BSK wallet. For that, I will just log into my wallet first, as you can see here, guys. So after you log into your wallet, what you need to do, just select the Ethereum as a network from here. Click on this plus icon and paste the token nowadays, as you can see. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that just added called Kiro Yuki. So after you find it, what you need to do, just click on it as you can see here and click on swap. Switch from here to from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT, of course, on your wallet. Now here type how much I want to buy. In a while, you will be able to see how much you receive of that token here, as you can see here, guys. Now after that, it's easy and simple. Click here on swap and you'll be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Kiro Yuki token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.